So here we are with a haunted house board, and I have verified the 6502 and 6502 and 6532, which are on the board. They're out of picture right now. But I want to go through each of the sounds that the board creates. Now this is a haunted house board and it is in my black hole. So here's sound 1. 2. That's the tilt sound. That was 3. That's the one we're all familiar with. Here's 5. 6. 7. Some of these may not stop until the next sound gets played. 8 doesn't appear to play anything. 9. I'm counting in binary here. 11. There's 12. Hexadecimal C for those of you who used to program. And here's 15. Now this should be interesting once we get to 16 here. 16 doesn't appear to make any sound. 17. 18 doesn't appear to make any sound. There's 19. 20. 21. 22. I lost track. 16, 20, here's 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. And 31. Now I'm going to have to compare that to a known good board, and we'll see where we get. And we are back with this haunted house soundboard. And what I found out, or what I suspected when it wasn't making any sounds above sound 16, is that the LM 193 in the schematics, 393 on the actual board had failed, and it's like an LM 339, and the Gottlieb used it to field signals 16 and 32, or sound 16 and 32 from the driver board. So I've got it set up again. Let's go through each and every sound in Haunted House. Sound 1. 2. 3. That's a funny one. 6. 7. 8. See if I can get that to stop. 9. So there's probably a code to get that to stop. I just don't know what it is. So we are at sound 8. 9. 10. Chris is getting confused. Let's see. 11. I don't think that one appears in the game. 12. 13. Thank God that one stopped. This is 8 and 4, 14. 15. Now here's where things got squirrely before. 16. 16 is no sound. That's what I suspect is used to stop other sounds from going on. 17. 18. 19. 20. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Must not field any above that. There's 30. 31. That makes sense. So there you have it, all the sounds that a haunted house properly working should make. And here we have the power supply for a System 80 black hole haunted house soundboard. And I've added some test points, or labeled some test points, ground up here. -12 at this 1N4742 Zener diode. That is correct. 30 over here. Close enough. And 12. And that's good also. The 4742 was blown. So while I was in there, I replaced the 4742. Here's a 47 microfarad cap and 4 diodes that form essentially a bridge rectifier. So now the power supply, the speech and sound board, and I have the driver board also to test. It only had one bad transistor.